I'm going to prepare fish stock. And I'm going to use the head of a catfish which I found in the butcher. Only cost me about $1.88 for all this stuff. $1.88. So it's worth it. And this is very simple, okay? So I have here some thyme and a rosemary. And I'm going to tie them up together. And I will show you why later. So I'm going to tie them up, okay? I have some celery. And I'm going to cook them in chunks. Actually, cut them in chunks. Put them aside. Carrot. Cut them in chunks too. I have a half a yellow onion. This is large. Just going to cut it. And I have some garlic. That's about 3 teeth. Smash them a little bit. So those juices are ready. So I have about 10 cups of water in my caldero. You can use a pot, doesn't matter. And I'm going to start adding the vegetables. The onion. Put in the garlic. And I'm going to add my aromatics. Loosely tie here. So I can pull them out, okay? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the fish head. Doesn't matter the type of fish, okay? It doesn't matter. Just add your fish head. Medium high. And just let it go for about 30-35 minutes, okay? That's all you need. So we're done. I did it for 40 minutes, turn it off. Now I'm going to transfer, okay? Look how clear and beautiful, huh? And here's my fish stock. And I even have some of the fish, because why throw it away when I can use it for something else? So what I do with this, I can drink it, I can prepare my paella, I can do some beans, stews, rice, whatever, you name it. That extra potency